In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on hotels.com. Let's make this quick and clear. Start by opening hotels.com in any web browser, whether you're on a computer or using a browser on your phone. Once the page loads, look for the country or language control. It's usually at the top right of the page or sometimes down at the very bottom. You'll recognize it by a small flag icon, a country code like US, or a label such as English. Tap or click that control to open the menu. From there, choose the country or region you want, and then select the language you prefer. When you confirm, the site will usually refresh to apply your choice. Don't be surprised if the currency and formatting change at the same time. Selecting a different country often updates the language, the pricing format, and currency symbols automatically. That's expected and part of how the site localizes content. If you're not seeing a language option at the top, scroll all the way to the footer. Hotels.com often places a language or country selector near links like privacy or terms. On a phone browser, you may also find it inside the main menu, so open the menu first if needed, and then look for the flag or region label. A quick note about automatic detection. Many international versions of Hotels.com try to detect your location and show a local language by default. If it guessed wrong, you can override it manually using the same selector. You can also switch to your local site version by moving from the .com domain to a country-specific version. That usually sets the local language automatically. If you want a different language while still browsing a specific region, just choose that language in the selector after you switch. Here are a few helpful tips. Your selection is typically saved with a cookie, so it should stick as you navigate. If the language reverts, refresh the page, make your selection again, and check whether your browser is blocking cookies or using private browsing. Also, if you use a bookmark that points to a different country's domain, the site may switch back to that region. Update your bookmark after you change it. Finally, remember that changing country or region can affect more than language. It can influence currency, taxes, available deals, and some support options. Pick the region that best matches how you plan to shop and pay. And if you change your mind, you can always return to the selector and switch back. That's it. Simple and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.